Hi, I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back to Photoshop Quickies. A little bit of a misnomer today. Today we're going to be dealing with Lightroom and Photoshop, but you get the idea. Anyway, today we're going to discuss non-destructive editing and why it's so important. And to do so, let's go back to Lightroom and this image right here. This is an image that I've edited, and if you're a longtime viewer of the channel, you'll know this is an image we did and we showed the example of how to make the screen on the TV black. Well, let's suppose that I've edited this and the client says, oh, I want it black, not with this gradient that we put in there. Well, the way I did this was non-destructive, so I can actually go back and look at all the original edits that I've made and fix them or change them as needed. So we're here in Lightroom, and this is the edited version. You can see it is a edit.tiff, which means it is all the layers and everything that I've done and I've put together. Rather than compress that all to one layer, I save it as multiple layers. And if we right click on this and send it back to edit in Photoshop, you'll notice that we get this. Do we want to edit it with Lightroom adjustments, which would be a single layer edit? Or do we want to edit the original? Well, if you do the edit original, it'll ship it back over here into the Photoshop. And look, there's all our original layers. And here, as a matter of fact, is our gradient layer to make that. So because I've got all these original layers there, I can literally turn off the gradient that we had put there and then move that mask back down to the original, which was the black layer. And now we've got full black. I've got all these original layers, everything that I've done, including all my masking and building up of all the layers. So I can go back to any of those and make corrections that I need to. I don't like that window pull. I can go back to the window pull and take it out. There's the original window. Or I can put it back in. Or let's see, I can lessen it or strengthen it or whatever I want. All the original edits are still there. It does make for a larger file size, but it also saves you a lot of time. You don't want to have to re-edit all those different things to fix one small thing like a light socket or something like that. So when in doubt, make all your changes on different levels and different layers in Photoshop. And then when you save it all as a TIFF, and then you'll be able to go back to those layers, make corrections as needed, and save a lot of time in re-editing if you need to. That's the tip for the day. I'm Dave Koch. Thank you so much for being here, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.